here before the traffic hits.
There's Mr. Grumpy Pants coming up.
Grumpy Pants! There he is.
In their cell.
Yeah. Mr. Grumpy Pants.
Yeah?
Too bad.
I know. That's E5 and E6.
Jimmy.
One umbrella.
No. The best?
One umbrella.
The best or no?
Yay!
Yes or no?
Yay!
Jimmy.
No, she couldn't song.
Oh, then yeah.
One 52, 164. Shelby Thomas Mining Tour. Hey Jason.
Yes.
E-41's mirrors look kind of very cricketish.
Oh, I moved. I tried to turn them.
I know, but they look kind of on the ugly cricket side.
They need to go up.
Just like E-38's, yes.
I moved them a little bit so I could see more of the front.
Oh, I can tell. Because this mirror is called a Roscoe costume mirror, Roscoe mirror.
It's a what?
Roscoe safety costume mirror.
Oh.
No check. Yay!
Woo! Sammy!
Hey, bro.
Stop. Jimmy.
One umbrella.
Come on, so I'm gonna go then. Yeah, these guys will take it too long. And Sophia still goes home, right?
Right.
Okay. I didn't know if anything changed.
Just Just in the afternoons. Mornings bus yard and afternoons home.
Okay.
I'm trying not to confuse you.
Yeah.
Great school.